Did you know your junk drawer is basically a memoir waiting to happen? Today we're talking about how to use objects, little everyday artifacts, to unlock stories. Objects hold emotional residue. A recipe card, a ticket stub, a chipped mug, they're tiny time capsules. Pick 5 objects from your home. For each one, write the snippet of how it entered your life. Don't overthink it, just follow the thread. When I see my giant teddy bear, I remember Kim. I'll write Kim's gifts on the snippet page in the Friends category. When I dust my elephant, I think of Betty, my sister by choice. I'll note Betty's elephants in my Friends section. I should think of Betty more often. When I pick up my antique well-worn paring knife, I remember Kale Canning Company. It was the knife the women used to peel pears in the cannery before automation. A single object can open a whole chapter when it acts like a trapdoor. You touch it, and suddenly the room of memory behind it swings wide. The key is choosing an object that isn't just a prop but a pressure point, something that carries weight, contradiction, or a story you've been circling for years. How does an artifact snippet become a chapter in your memoir? Or even an entire memoir? Here's how.
The red key. The key wasn't always red. It earned that color the day Grandma got locked inside the Conex box, sealed in by the kind of burglar-proof padlock Grandpa bragged could keep out God himself. When the shouting started and nobody could find the key, the whole family tore through drawers, coffee cans, and glove compartments like raccoons in a panic. By the time someone finally fished it out from under the truck seat and sprung Grandma loose, Grandpa marched straight to his workbench, dipped the key in a can of enamel, and hung it up to dry like a warning. It dripped red for hours, a tiny metal promise that we'd never lose track of again.
Here's another example from my own snippets. The single red glove. I found the glove at the bottom of the winter box, curled in on itself like it was still holding someone's hand. Its partner was nowhere in sight, hasn't been for years, but I kept this one anyway, the way you keep a key long after forgetting which lock it belonged to. The glove still smells faintly of cedar and cold air, and the moment I lift it, I'm back in the winter we tried to leave the cabin for good. Your life is hiding in plain sight, usually under a pile of receipts. Thanks for watching. Open your junk drawer and feel what happens. Subscribe and tap like to get fresh, practical guidance on turning scattered moments into a compelling personal story. Are you struggling with getting your snippets organized? The Family Legacy Workbook can help. Preserve the stories your family will be thrilled you captured. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code above.